Greetings, thanks for joining me. Being the hair color junkie that I am, it's time for a change. Nothing drastic. So right now I'm this nice dark, kind of a chocolatey brown. I'm going to attempt to get it as close as I can to a light ash brown with some golden highlights. Pravana Artificial Hair Color Extractor. The first bottle is the clarifying shampoo. I actually shampooed my hair with that yesterday. Shampooed it twice, put absolutely no product in my hair, and then blow dried it. So it's already been clarified. What I'm about to do is use the Part 1 Artificial Hair Color Extractor and Part 2 Artificial Hair Color Extractor. What do the instructions say? Let's see. Clarifying shampoo. Done. Equal parts 1 and 2 in a plastic or glass bowl. I am just using my little teacup. It's not plastic or glass, but I think it will suffice. Place a processing cap on the hair. I don't have a processing cap, and from all the reviews that I read, you don't need one. So I'm going to try it without a processing cap. Wish me luck. Process for 20 minutes. This is the maximum processing time, and then go directly from heat source to shampooing. This is the Detox Clarifying Shampoo, Pravana Nevo. After I finish processing for 20 minutes with part 1 and 2, I will shampoo again with this until all the color is rinsed out. Did I mention that I found the Pravana product at Amazon.com? As always, Amazon has everything. The reviews were pretty good, so I'm gonna give it a try. And oh, I know, I was gonna tell you, I have no idea what my natural hair color is. So once I strip out all the color that I've been putting in my hair, I don't know what we're gonna get. There might be some gray, way premature. 1/4 cup of part 1, 1/4 cup of part 2, all mixed together. I'm just gonna shampoo it all into my hair, and then I'm gonna use my blow dryer as the heat source. Some kind of madness was taking control. Yeah. And now I have finally 20 minutes on my timer. And I'm gonna add the heat source for 20 minutes. My arms are gonna be tired after 20 minutes. All right, this is what the hair is doing now, and I'm almost out of time. My arms are getting really tired, but I gotta get back to it. Have finally realized what you need. I'm done. Woohoo! And my guns. Oh, 20 minutes. Good job, guns. You can see it's lifting a lot of color out of my hair. Maybe my hair is naturally a little lighter than I remembered. This is definitely not my natural hair color. I have no red in my hair. I'm just brunette. A lot more copper. Obviously it worked at removing all of the dye out of my hair, all that dark brown, but it also took some of my natural color with it, which it wasn't supposed to do. And you saw I was moving that blow dryer constantly so that the whole head was getting as even heat as I could possibly accomplish with a blow dryer. Then I rinsed the hair really well in the hottest water that my scalp could possibly stand. Super hot water, rinsed that all out, and then I shampooed the heck out of my hair with the Nevo Detox Clarifying Shampoo again. I'm one step closer to getting to my natural lighter brown color, so fingers crossed. After you see this video hit Shauna Who, keep an eye out for this one, and hopefully this gets me to my desired light ash brown. As always, thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. Is it just me, or am I channeling Emma Stone? Oh, I hear you. A younger, prettier version of Emma Stone, obviously. I crack myself up. What up, Emma Stone? It's your long lost sister, Shauna. What's up?